Welcome and good evening. This is Count Doom. I'm so glad to see you are gathered here this evening. Make certain the lights are turned down low. Very, very low. Now, be silent. Be very, very silent. The evil forces in the air can hear every word you say. Unknown powers of mystery are being conjured up by the sound of my voice. Who knows what lurks in the shadows of this very room you are now sitting in? Could it be a werewolf? A werewolf, half man, half wolf. The intelligence of a man, the cunningness of an animal, who could reach out of the darkness and with one sweep of his strong, hairy arms carry you away into the shadows with him. This night is filled with mysterious happenings. Ghosts roaming in the attic, frightening shapes peering in through the windows, skeletons dancing among the tombstones in the graveyard, creatures of horror from the world of the supernatural. Mere locked doors cannot stop the vampire who at will can change himself into a bat or into a vapor cloud and ease himself into this room. Or the zombie who walks but does not live. The Egyptian mummy who lies in his tomb for 5,000 years, yet can be brought to life by the fluid from 9 tana leaves. These are the creatures that are present with us. So be still. Be silent. The night is filled with mystery. And now, our story for this eerie occasion.
A group of youngsters have just started out on a scavenger hunt. They have 1 hour to find 6 Halloween articles. Where can they find 6 Halloween items in just 1 hour? There is only one place. The empty house on Haunted Hill. We join the group of youngsters as they are about to cross a vacant lot on their way to the haunted house.
Well, come on. Let's get it over with.
I wish we hadn't started all this.
It will be over soon.
Let's walk faster.
Oh, look there.
What's the matter?
There was something in that attic window. I didn't see anything.
Neither did I.
It looked like a white form or a white shape moving in front of the window.
But it's probably just your imagination.
Let's keep our eyes peeled for any more strange things.
We're almost there.
What's that?
It sounded like a wolf.
There it is again.
Maybe it's a werewolf.
Probably a dog down the street howling.
Yeah.
Well, here we are. Be careful of these stairs. They look weak.
Hush.
I've got goosebumps.
So have I.
Girls, be quiet.
I don't want to go in.
Okay, you can wait while we go in.
No, I'll go in.
Well, since I saw the owls in the attic, I'll get the 3 owl feathers. James, you get the old mailbox over there on the wall. Lorraine, you find a handful of cobwebs somewhere. And Barbara, you won't have any trouble getting an old doorknob from one of the doors inside.
It has to be brass.
Yes, Barbara, it has to be brass. Janice, you like cats, so you get some fur off of one of the black cats around here.
I like cats, but I don't like black cats, especially at Halloween time.
Okay, now. We all know what to get. Let's go inside.
That sound came from inside the house. I thought it came from across the open field.
There's no large dogs around here that I know of.
Let's get what we need and then get out of here.
Jim, open the door.
Oh, it's dark in here.
What a big place. Look how high the ceiling is.
Look at that big staircase.
Gee, that old couple must have had a lot of money.
Let's walk very carefully now.
Let's leave right now.
We're here. We might just as well get what we came after.
Come on.
Here, kitty. Here, kitty, kitty.
What, Kitty? I don't see a cat.
Neither do I, but we need some black cat fur, don't we? So I'm looking for a cat.
Did you all hear that?
It came from upstairs.
I thought so, too.
Let's not find out. Let's go home.
Maybe the wind knocked over something. It's quiet now.
Ah!
What's the matter, Barbara?
Look there. Look at what? That picture. The eyes in that picture move.
What picture?
The picture on the wall.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. I thought the picture was looking at me. Then I walked a little bit. The eyes followed me.
I'm feeling the painting, and it's just a picture. The eyes are painted on the picture.
Barbara, you must have imagined it.
Maybe so, but I was so sure. Oh, look.
Now what?
A brass doorknob. Just what I'm looking for.
That's a good idea. The rest of us better get looking for our things, too.
I'll go out on the front porch and pull that old mailbox off the wall.
Hey, James, you dropped the mailbox?
James, can't you hear us?
He's just trying to scare us.
James, speak up.
Let's go out and see what happened. You girls wait here. Carl and I will go out on the front porch. There's nothing here. He's gone.
There's the mailbox on the porch.
Hey, James, where are you?
James!
James, if this is a gag, it's gone far enough.
Jim, Carl, come back in here. We heard something upstairs.
What did you hear?
It sounded like footsteps walking, and then they stopped.
Then there was a struggle.
Then the footsteps started again.
It might have been James.
Well, we must go upstairs and see.
Didn't you see him?
No.
We found the old mailbox on the floor, but no trace of James.
Well, here we are at the stairs. Let's go up.
Don't go so fast. I don't want to get lost in this house.
These stairs look as if they were rotting away. The stairs are so dusty that we leave our footprints when we walk.
Say that again.
I said, where we walk, we leave footprints in the dust.
Then how do you explain that?
Look there.
Footprints up ahead on the stairs.
Did any of you walk upstairs?
We've all been together. None of us have been up here.
And look at the shape of these footprints. Carl, what would you say they look like?
They've got 3 big toes with claws or nails at the end of each one.
More like a wolf?
Like a wolf's footprints.
And they've just been made, too.
If what made those footprints is doing that howling, then it must be a wolf.
There was a noise upstairs.
That's the same noise we heard earlier.
Come on.
There's nothing here.
Just a long corridor with lots of doors.
Where do the wolf's footprints go?
Well, as far as I can see, they go down to the corridor about midway, and,
And what?
they vanish.
Shh! I think I hear something.
Chains rattling.
Which door are they coming from? Let's tiptoe down the hall and see if we can find out.
Shh, be quiet. Don't make too much noise.
coming from inside this room.
Try opening the door.
I'm ready to run.
So am I. Go on, open the door.
Okay, be quiet, everybody.
What do you see, Jim?
The room's empty.
Who could have made the sound of rattling chains?
Look, there's some chains on the floor.
Well, that's the sound, all right. But what caused them to rattle?
Maybe it was a ghost.
I'm beginning to believe that this place is really haunted. We'd better leave while we still can.
Lorraine's right. We must call the police to come and find James.
Good idea. Let's go. Hey, who closed the door?
I didn't.
Neither did I.
Try the down
I don't
handle.
know.
It's locked.
Here, let me try it. It won't budge.
How will we get out? There's no windows in this room. Let's holler for help.
There's no one around here for miles. It's solid oak.
It'd take a bulldozer to break it down.
Listen. There's something outside in the hall.
What did you hear?
It sounded like rustling cloth.
I hear it too. It's coming near. Everybody get up against the far wall, crouch down and be very quiet. Shh, quiet now. Do you still hear it?
It's getting closer.
Oh, I wish I were home. What are we going to do?
It's right outside the door.
That door's locked. We're safe in here.
Listen, it's at the door.
Oh, it's trying to get in.
Don't say a word.
It is a ghost.
Like
Good
What
heavens.
is it?
Right there.
It's a ghost. It's a real ghost. Blocking the doorway.
It's coming toward us.
We're up against the wall. We're trapped.
Help!
Okay, you guys, this is the police. Stick up your hands.
Police?
Look at the ghost.
He's standing there with his hands up in the air.
Ghost, I'll show you your ghost.
Oh, look, it's a man.
Yes, sonny, it's a man. He's Fingers Alden, the notorious counterfeiter. We've had our eyes on him for a long time. Okay, Joe, we've got him. Radio headquarters has sent a patrol car. We've been watching this old place for several months, and Fingers Alden's been using this old house to print counterfeit money in. Mr. and Mrs. Fletch have been in a rest home upstate. Now, this crook capitalized on the idea that the old couple disappeared mysteriously. He started a rumor that the house was haunted. He was the one who made those frightening sounds to scare away anyone who might have come around.
Yeah, and it would have worked if those kids wouldn't have come snooping around.
Then where's James?
Here I am. I was pulling off the old mailbox on the front porch when something black was pulled over my head. Next thing I knew, I was tied up and lying on the floor of the attic with a gag in my mouth.
What was the purpose of trying to scare us away? We never would have found that crook in this big old house.
Well, his printing room was well hidden, but he couldn't take the chance of anyone discovering it.
Then we did see something at the window as we walked across the field.
Yeah, that was me in this here ghost outfit.
Then it was your eyes behind the picture.
This old house is honeycombed with secret passages. The picture was one way you could spy on anybody that was brave enough to come into the house.
Well, we found the rattling change, but what caused that wolf howl?
Look in this closet.
It's a record player.
There's a record on the turntable.
Play the record.
Well, I'll be. A record of a howling wolf.
I wish I had a record like that. Boy, could I have some fun.
The wolf footprints and the dust on the stairs. How were they made?
Well, they were made with this long pole with the imitation wolf feet on the end of it.
It was a sweet setup, and it would have worked, too. Hope you Snoopy kids are satisfied.
Your counterfeiting days are over, Fingers. Come on, you're going downstairs.
Well, it looks like that we solved the mystery of the empty house on Haunted Hill.
There'll be no more ghost activities in this place.
Boy, will we have a story to tell the gang back at the party.
Oh, we've forgotten about the party. Is the hour up yet? Oh, we're 5 minutes late. Oh, it won't win the prize.
This has been the most exciting Halloween party I've ever been to.
And on top of it all, we discovered a ghost.
Yes. The legend of the haunted house is over. We have solved the mystery of the empty house on Haunted Hill.
Yeah.
someone here that wishes to communicate with me. Think of your question. Think of your question. Concentrate on your question. I've been very clear now. I see you sitting there. You'll have to be very, very silent. Be very, very silent. Concentrate on your question. I see the person sitting there is interested in knowing about a journey. I see that the question is something concerning travel. And the answer is travel will be coming to you very, very soon. Please, you're not concentrating. I'm slipping back. I'm slipping back. Don't let me slip back.